Bienvenue sur ma chaîne, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a What's in My Essentials pouch. This gorgeous little piece was purchased by someone very dear to me, so I love it even more, and it's just so cute. And I really think that all women should carry one in their handbag because you never know, you should always be prepared. So as you can see, even though it's very small, it holds so much. This is a Hello Kitty notepad. It's a micro notepad. It's so small, it's so cute. But I think it's great to carry around, and it's cute to have a pad of paper to write things on. And of course, to go with the notepad, I have a miniature pen. It's so adorable. I got it for Halloween, and it writes really smooth actually, even though it's not a brand name or anything. So yeah, they come with stickers as well in this notepad. I haven't used any of them, but super adorable. And I'll just write my channel name here so you can see. Just look how tiny that is. You can hold it between your index and your thumb. Next, this little tiny container came with an IKEA toiletry set, but I use it for safety pins instead. There's so many uses with the little organizational things, but I love it. Next is a Revlon tweezer set. It's made in Germany and super robust, very strong. On the right side is a slanted tweezer. And on the left side is one of those really needlepoint tipped tweezers. Those little tiny hairs, but they're so small and so strong, and I love them so much. I highly recommend them. They're not that expensive either. And look, size comparison to the small little pouch, how tiny they are. They can even be placed upright. Next, I have my Croc lighter. They can be purchased at the dollar store. They're so adorable, but very convenient and a lot more comfortable to use than those tiny little ones. And I always carry some nail glue with me, especially if you accidentally break a nail or whatever. It's good to have anyway. And multi-purpose, you can use it to bond other things. And here I have a wine bottle opener. I know it looks like I'm an absolute lush drunkard alky, but I think it's always convenient to have. There are so many times where I go over to friends or party or something and we cannot find one. So I think it's absolutely convenient to carry one on you. Next, we have a miniature sewing kit by Muji. I absolutely love it. I think you'd be hard pressed to find a sewing kit as small as this one and as minimalistic and cute as it is as well. Look at these little tiny scissors, and yes, they do work. Good for cutting thread, and it's good to have scissors anyway. Truly a multi-purpose tool. Next, we've got one of those little thread leader things that help you lead the thread into the needle. And it came with this triple thread pack. And look at how cute this tube of needles is. The little compartment is adorable, this little tube with the lid. So convenient. And it has 4 needles that it comes with, and there's much more room for more needles. Everything is just so easily accessible and adorable. So let's put everything back. We've got the thread, we've got the thread lead, I don't know the name for it, scissors, needles, and that's it. And it all fits in this compact, tiny little compartment box. I really love the compact size and the modern minimalistic look of it, and it fits in the tiniest little places, so you will not find it taking up much room at all. And that's that, all back in the pouch. And I thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.